Tropical rainforests are located along the equator because the radiational conditions are such that the sunlight is constantly beaming. The land masses of these rainforests are surrounded by large bodies of water, all major oceans, so the evaporation and precipitation is constant. Rainforests usually stay about 77 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, and each year they receive about 8 to 14 feet of rain. These static conditions make up what is called a year-round growing cycle. This is indeed exactly what it sounds like. All year conditions allow vegetation to grow. This is unlike any other type of forest. The tropical rainforest has more biodiversity than any other biome on Earth, and therefore the greatest biomass. Because of this, soil quality is poor in the rainforest because root biomass is so large and demand for nutrients in the soil is so great. The rainforest has four main layers to it: the emergent layer, the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. Within each layer lies an ecosystem of its own. Dun, dun. The emergent layer is made up of the tallest trees, some up to 200 feet, with trunks having circumferences up to 16 feet. Most of the trees are broad-leaved evergreens and have taken years to get to this size. Animals most commonly found are birds, bats, butterflies, and monkeys. One animal is the macaw, an elegant, colorful bird that flies in the emergent layer of the rainforest. The macaw's diet consists of fruit, nuts, leaves, and stems, all of which are very abundant in the rainforest. However, the macaws are endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal bird trapping. The canopy layer is the layer below the emergent layer. It is the most abundant population of animal species. The canopy is the perfect name for this layer because the upper leaves and branches create a roadwork for animals. A lot of animals who dwell in this layer will never touch the ground their whole life. Some animals include tree frogs, snakes, squirrels, and toucans. The squirrel monkey is found in the canopy, along with a lot of other monkeys, and other species as well. They have loud calls to scare away predators and communicate with their monkey friends. The monkey also has a long tail which provides balance for climbing trees. The monkey also has a diet that primarily consists of fruit. Yay! The understory gets little sunlight emitted onto it through the dense layer of the canopy. Therefore, they grow larger leaves to collect the sunlight for photosynthesis. Plants here grow at most 12 feet. The understory is home to many insects as well as jaguars, red-eyed tree frogs, and leopards. The boa constrictor is found in the understory of the rainforest. It is a rather large snake that lurks in the trees for prey. Its brown-colored body helps it blend into the trees to catch small mammals and birds. They are nocturnal animals but bask during the day when the nighttime temperatures are too cold. The floor of the rainforests get very little sunlight, so not much vegetation grows here. Much of the rainforest floor is a jumble of roots, fungi, and decaying matter. The army of ants are found on the forest floor. These ants are always on the move and never settle permanently. They travel in very large groups that make for effective foraging. Colonies of army ants can consume up to 500,000 prey animals each day. These animals may include other insects, leaves, and insect larvae.
Tropical rainforests used to cover 14% of the Earth's terrestrial surface. Now they cover a mere 6%. This is because of human demolition. The main reasons humans clear forest land is for agriculture, logging industry, fuel wood, cattle ranches, and infrastructure development. This is bad for rainforest ecosystems for two reasons. With deforestation, massive amounts of species are wiped out, and some are even close to extinction, such as jaguars, gorillas, and poison dart frogs. Even if species don't get wiped out from bulldozers or slashing or burning techniques, something called islandization can still happen. This occurs when patches of rainforest are wiped out, and although there are still islands of them left, it is bad for individual species because of lack of genetic diversity, therefore rendering them more susceptible to extinction. When forests are cleared, rain can accumulate on exposed soil surfaces, creating runoff and soil erosion. This is bad because rainforests already have poor soil quality to begin with, and this makes it more difficult if ecologists are trying to work towards restoration. We need to preserve these rainforests. Experts estimate that the last remaining rainforest can be consumed in less than 40 years if we do not do something to protect the tropical rainforests.
I would like to thank the audience for listening to the rainforest. Thank you!